What is going on, everybody? My name is KillerMakeSteen. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do the mannequin Easter egg on Nuketown. Now, first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to make sure that you've actually got Nuketown as part of your DLC. And once you've got that, then, guys, all you want to do is jump into a solo game, custom game of actual Nuketown, and all you got to do is shoot off the heads of these mannequins. If you do it within 2 minutes, what will happen is all the mannequins will actually turn to life. They'll be looking like mannequin zombies, and they'll just keep coming after you. They will not stop, they will just keep coming. It doesn't matter how many times you kill them, they will keep coming until you decide to end the game, guys. But it's just a little Easter egg I just wanted to show you guys. I know it's been out for at least a day now, but I thought, you know what, I needed to post it. It's a really cool Easter egg. It's great to do, just to troll your friends and have a good laugh. So I hope you guys have actually enjoyed this video. It has been KillerMakeSteen, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye.